how to turn off comments on Facebook profile pictures. All you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application. Now it will look like this. Now all you have to do is to go here on the bottom part, click on menu here, and go to your profile. After that, now currently you're on your profile. So all you have to do is to click on the profile icon here and tap on select profile. And all you have to do is to look for the image that you want to. So for example, this one. So the next thing that you're going to do is on the bottom part, you'll see share your update to newsfeed. Make sure to uncheck that one before tapping on save. Now, as you can see, setting your profile picture, and now you have successfully changed your profile picture. Now, the next thing is to turn off the comments on the Facebook profile picture. So all you have to do is to click on that and tap on see profile picture. Now it will look like this. Now on the upper right, you'll see these three dots. Click on that and tap on edit privacy. Now under edit privacy, to successfully turn off the comments, all you have to do is to click on only me and tap on done. And basically, it will look like this from another account. And as you can see, you cannot comment on these Facebook profile picture. And basically, that's how you disable comments on a picture. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.